Ladies and gentlemen, adding motion blur to your videos in CapCut can really up your video editing game and make your projects look professional. So, if you'd like to learn more about motion blur, follow me and I'll show you everything you need to know. So the first thing you need is an actual video on your timeline. As you can see over here, this is my timeline and there is a main track and that is where my video is. Now to create this motion blur effect, we're going to go ahead and we are going up to the top left hand side and we're going to click on effects. Right from here you can see there's a search bar at the top and you can just type in motion blur. So as you can see now, the motion blur effect has loaded. As you can see, you can now just go ahead, click down on it and drag it onto your clip. Now the reason we go ahead and click down and drag it onto our clip is that we want it to embed into the actual clip and we don't want it to take effect on all of the clips that we put on this timeline. So you're going to go ahead and that's what it will look like. Now if you want to toggle between your video and your special effect, all you have to do is click on the actual video. Or if you want to go back to the special effect, right at the top it says special effects and you can click on that. Now going up over here, you can see that you can change the way this effect actually works. Now, if you're going to go up to the horizontal and move the dial from left to right, you will see that the effect will change as you're going through it. You can also adjust the intensity or the strength of this effect, and you can do so just over here on this dial. So in the end, as a result, this is what it may look like. Now just remember folks, while you're doing this, you need to customize it to suit your own needs and to make sure that it makes your video look good. There we go. We'll see you in another awesome video. For now, peace out, creators.